In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's new lead scoring tool. By the end, you'll know how to start a scoring model from scratch and use the built-in company scores to prioritize the right accounts with confidence. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the top navigation. Click Marketing. This takes you into the area where HubSpot centralizes tools that help you attract, engage, and qualify prospects. If you don't see the option, make sure you have the right permissions from your admin, as access can vary by role. Inside Marketing, look for Lead Scoring and click it. This is your command center for setting up and managing scoring models that surface the most ready-to-buy leads and accounts. You'll land on a page that lists any existing models and offers options to build new ones. Choose Start from Scratch. Starting fresh gives you full control over your criteria, point values, and the logic behind your definition of a qualified lead or account. It's a great way to reflect your unique buying signals rather than relying on a generic template. When prompted to add inputs, select Company Combined Score. This is HubSpot's blended metric that brings together both how well a company fits your ideal customer profile and how actively they're engaging. It's a strong foundation because it balances quality and intent. Next, select Company Engagement Score. This focuses on behavior, things like site visits, email interactions, and meeting activity. Engagement is your best indicator of timing, so including this helps you catch accounts while interest is highest. Then, select Company Fit Score. Fit draws on firmographic and demographic signals, such as industry, company size, and location, to reflect how closely an account matches your sweet spot. Adding fit ensures you don't over-prioritize noisy activity from accounts that aren't a match. Click Create to generate your new scoring model. HubSpot will take you into the builder where you can fine-tune exactly how points are awarded or subtracted. Now, start building your score. Add criteria that reflect real buying signals, assign positive points to high-value actions or attributes, and use negative points to downrank disqualifiers. Keep weights proportional. Broad signals like page views deserve modest points, while strong intent signals, such as a pricing page visit, can carry more weight. Use the preview and testing tools to see how recent companies would score and adjust until the distribution looks realistic. Align your threshold for a qualified lead or account with your sales team so handoffs are consistent, and document your logic for ongoing maintenance. Start simple, review performance regularly, and iterate as your go-to-market evolves. That's it. Your lead scoring model is live and ready to help your team focus where it matters most.